Welcome guys to Techeonics. My name is Gaurav and today in this video we are going to unbox and set up Anet ET4 3D printers. So let's get started. Welcome back to another video guys. In this video we are going to unbox and take a look on the all new Anet ET4 3D printer from Anet. So let's do it. This printer comes with really good features like filament detection, auto wet leveling and resume printing as well. These printers come with the glass bed and the full metal body, which is quite good compared to the other DIY printers out there. This printer comes with a touchscreen user interface, which is quite easy and makes simple to control this printer. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any doubt, then do let me know in the comment section below. Like and share the video. Do not forget to subscribe to Techeonics for more awesome tech videos. See you in next one.